Okay, that's plenty, I think. Alright, all done, buddy. Just push your regular now, okay?
No, I said two spins, and that was one, and I need to do one more, and that's two.
I thought you already did two.
No, I'm going to do one more after this.
And is that going to be it?
No, one more after that, then it'll be it.
No, I don't think so.
Yes.
I think one last. One last.
No, one last, then the other one, then it.
No.
Then that's it.
No, only one, Bubby.
No. I don't want to do any one.
Well, you know what? Mommy wants you to do only one more. I don't want Sylvie to get too dizzy. Okay, that's good. Alright, buddy. Now just push her like a regular swing. Okay? Alright? Alright. Just push her.